yeah, you're probably fine. Yeah, because we screwed up when we sold the Dialga and the Machamp. Steel Energy. Roxanne. Probably should have just put it on like Facebook Marketplace. Togetic. Buyer pays shipping. Okay, that's not too bad then. Gutsy Pickaxe. Poniard. Hisuian Growlithe. Hisuian Voltorb. Rufflet. Ponyta. Do we see another Radiant? No, a Trainer Gallery Gardevoir. Pretty cute. A third Trainer Gallery out of 20 packs. We lost money on them anyway, so whatever. All good. Double hitter pack. Yo, Luxray Full Art V. Oh my goodness. Double hitter action.